Yeah, that's right, Faith. There's been quite a bit of fog over the last couple of days along the Gulf Coast, here along the Mississippi River, and much of the southeast, all thanks to this stalled out front that's just been sitting over much of the region for the past couple of days, allowing very warm, moist air to move into the region. 67 already in Greenville, 70 in New Orleans, and just a ton of warm air moving in this morning. Oxford 63, 63 in Tunica, 69 in Monticello, 68 in El Dorado, and along the I-20 corridor in the upper 60s, and we're on our way to the 70s. So we head into later portions of the day. Now you can see all these gray boxes along the coast, dense fog advisories. So from coastal portions of Texas all the way to the Florida Panhandle, expect to have a foggy ride along I-10. And taking a look at Arkansas, still under those dense fog advisories until 9 a.m. But most of the Delta actually had those lifted a little bit earlier. Still have that dense fog advisory in effect for Coahoma County for the next 15 minutes. And showers starting to develop along the I-55 corridor, Oxford, Coffeyville, Tunica, and the Memphis metro area. Starting to see some showers, but here in the Delta, for the most part, looking dry through much of the morning. But later this afternoon, that will begin to change. And again, just a quick check, we do have those dense fog advisories for Pine Bluff, Warren, DeWitt, Clarksdale under that as well, Helena, up towards Tunica County. So just keep that in mind if you're traveling west and along the Mississippi River. We could actually still see some areas of patchy dense fog. And now taking a look at the rest of the day, that front going to be situated over much of central and northern Mississippi. Showers and thunderstorms will begin to develop this evening along that, and some of these storms have the potential to become strong. We could see some damaging wind gusts, but again, it's a low-end threat, so most of us should be fine throughout much of the day, but still could see some heavy rain, some frequent lightning with some of these storms. And this is all associated with a frontal system that's going to move through the south, cooling us down tomorrow. And throughout much of Thursday, it's going to be much cooler in the mid-50s, but we're not really going to see too much rain, just a lot of cloud cover, which is good. We could definitely use a break from the rain. And then heading into Friday morning, temperatures are going to be generally in the upper to maybe even mid-40s. And for the first half of Friday, we're looking dry, a couple of light showers, but heading into Friday evening and early Saturday, more rain is going to move in as our next storm system moves closer to the Delta. Now again, we do have a level 1 to 5 severe threat across much of northern Mississippi, including Greenville, Grenada, Batesville, and much of our viewing area, mainly north of Highway 82 into southeastern Arkansas, and anywhere located in this green outline, we could see some stronger storms. Again, tornado threat is 0, but some of these storms could have maybe quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 50 to 60 miles per hour. But again, that's a low-end threat. Just be weather aware heading through the rest of the day. Now taking a look at the Yazoo River, holding steady right under 32 feet between now and Monday, relatively close to that flood stage of 35 feet. But here in Greenville, the Mississippi River expected to rise to 48 feet between now and Monday. And just keep in mind that flood stage with a minor flood stage level is 48 feet here in Greenville. Now, again, the flood warning goes into effect on the 19th of January and persists through the 27th, so about a week-long period. And again, the river expected to rise to near 50 feet between now and Saturday, the 25th of January. And remember, Upper Lake Ferguson Road and Warfield Point Park both close in Greenville when the river hits 50 feet. And again, at Arkansas City as well, expected to exceed the minor flood stage level of 37 feet on Tuesday, January 21st. So continue to monitor this situation over the next couple of days. Those flood warnings in effect all the way down to Vicksburg and Natchez as well. And today we could see another round of afternoon showers, some fog around this morning starting to lift as we head through the rest of the day. Highs near 70, some locations maybe even topping 75. Tonight, much cooler, lows of around 50. Showers likely becoming breezy. The rain will taper off by the morning hours, and we're just going to be left with a lot of cloud cover. Winds continuing out of the northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Highs around 57. And take a look at this. After Saturday, temperatures are really going to take a plunge Sunday into Monday. And for your Martin Luther King Jr. Day forecast, it's going to be 42 and partly cloudy. And Faith, look at those overnight lows in the 20s.